Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you all how to create a new contact on OnePlus 9. Firstly, go into your phone's app, obviously. Now tap on create new contact at the top of contact section. Now select where you would like to store your contacts to. It can be either your Google account, your SIM card or device. I'm going to choose my device. Now if you tap on this icon, you can select a profile picture for your contact. I will choose one from gallery. Let's say this one. Now you can align it and crop it, also rotate it. Then just tap on choose. If you tap on this little arrow, you can see every blank for name, such as name prefix, first name, middle name, last name, and name suffix. Obviously, you don't have to fill all of them. The most important is going to be the first name and maybe the last name. You can also add a company. The most important is obviously the phone number. And you can add few of them and label each one of them as something different. Let's say this one can be work and this one, let's say it's going to be mobile. And it also works the same with email. You can add few of them and label them. You can also add a significant date, so I don't know, 23rd of December 2024. Tap on set and label this as something custom, let's say an appointment. Tap on OK. You can tap on more fields to see more fields, obviously, and there are going to be fields like address, website, related person and relationship with the person, SAP. You can also write notes about this contact, and a label. Label are just groups, so we can maybe add some group like work, maybe family, maybe friends, let's say. Friends, right? Now we can add this contact to these groups. Let's say I'll add it to friends and work and tap on OK. And once again, you don't have to fill all of the informations. You can add things like only the first name and the last name, actually, and the phone number. These are the crucial one. And then you can just tap on save in the top right corner. Here is our phone number. And now if you would like to share some information about this contact, you can just copy the information, copy to clipboard, and then paste it somewhere. Also, you can just tap on three dots right corner, tap on share, select the information that you would like to share, and then just tap on continue. Now a small file is going to be created that contains all of the selected informations. And that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.